rest of the montage. Hey, howdy there. How you guys doing today? Well, hey, how you guys doing today? Welcome. Thanks for joining me here at the great sunny day here. I've recently had some things on my mind, Aquaponomaniacs, that I wanted to get to you in a straight heart-to-heart here. On this bright and sunny day, as I've mentioned, there are so many things that are happening in this world of ours that's crazy and unprecedented. And quite frankly, it's a fantastic time to be alive. Most think, or most might think, there's a downward spiral that's happening with our communities. Just think of it. Things are happening right now that have only happened once in a blue moon, if ever. And some things that haven't happened at all in all of Earth's history. But as we are facing these challenges, I also think it on the upside. These things that we've never seen before. And we'll be able to tell our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren what has happened in these days. These are fantastic and phenomenal times. Both you and I are going to be going through some things that are going to be never felt or experienced before, and that is an incredible thing to do. As we hit these life challenges, let's be able to smile through them and face them head on, having confidence that we can meet any obstacle and any challenge that comes our way. There was a great man, and you might have heard of him. His name was Robin Williams, a fantastic comedian and one of my favorite people. And as he was facing his last battle with his brain disease, he wrote down in a book that was found later, and it said that it was his purpose, his life's purpose, to be able to help as many people as he could to overcome fear. That is what we're trying to do here at That Aquaponics Guy, to be able to help you have the confidence in anything that comes your way, any obstacle, any challenge, any problem that might arise. So let's do as Longfellow said to do. Let us be up and doing, for a heart for any fate, still achieving, still pursuing, learning to labor and to wait. If you haven't had a chance to be able to, please follow us and push the buttons down below, or subscribe, or whatever it is that down there, and feel free to share this with whoever you may. Again, thank you for joining me on this fantastic sunny day here, and have a good day. God bless and Godspeed. All right. Come on, little one. Come on, little one. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.